car. We have been doing a bunch of videos today for our upcoming workshop, but we wanted to talk about our
If you haven't gotten in it, get in it.
We are also talking about our 3 consultations that we finished yesterday. And yes, my mom is driving me in my own car because I'm a passenger princess. We all know this. But anyways, we finished 1 consult and we suck and forgot to take pictures, but it was gorgeous. She got brand new custom drapery for her home.
So pretty.
So pretty. She loves to have like pastel pinks and soft greens and soft blues, and it was just gorgeous. It all came together so nicely. It was so pretty. So if you are seeing this, please send us pictures because we forgot to take pictures.
We so did.
We are so sorry. But one of the things that we wanted to take away from this consultation that we did in install is that having the right size of chair for your room and for your person is so important.
Yes.
Because she is a very petite lady. She is, I think, about 5 foot, and Mom is 5'1", so we were able to get a chair that fit her perfectly, to where she was sitting, her feet still touched the floor, and she could still put her head back in this chair and take a nap if she wanted, and that is so important.
And the most beautiful fabric.
It was so pretty. It was like this
so
delicate
pretty.
little, it was like cream, and it had some like very tiny pink, it's kind of like a coral threading.
It really was.
So pretty. Loved it. Another consultation we did is that we got hired to do a nursery, and we are so excited.
I love doing children's rooms.
It's going to be so pretty. I am going to just be in love with it. I will post some of her inspo pictures here. She's having a girl, so it's so exciting.
And congratulations.
Yes, congratulations. If you see this, we are so excited.
Yes. But I love her theme, okay?
Her theme is so darling.
I do. Because I always ask them what their inspiration is, and she knew exactly what she wanted.
Mm-hmm.
She just didn't know how to, bring it all together, so we're going to help her do that.
Mm-hmm.
But it was darling, so you tell me.
It has it's kind of like a woodland theme. So she loves like foxes, she loves books and reading, she loves the color green. So it's going to kind of be more of like, kind of like a woodland, kind of fairy, kind of...
Fairytopia, kind of?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Not like without fairies, but like more of like woodland animals.
Yeah.
So it's kind of fun.
Yes,
like
woodland
when I
animals.
say like woodland fairy,
Foxes.
not like fairy, but like more like mushroom type forest. Like I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll show you pictures so it makes more sense. And then we had another virtual consultation last night, and this consultation
was cool.
It was really eye-opening because this lady, and if you see this, hello, we loved talking to you last night.
Hi everyone, if you're seeing this.
Yes, hello everyone. She called us because she felt like her room was super pretty because it has vaulted ceilings, which we all love, but she felt like it was missing the cozy warmth factor. It didn't have the warm, cozy feeling when you walk into it. And she said it echoed kind of like a banquet hall, and it kind of did. So we walked her through steps on what to do to make that space be more conducive to her and her family, and steps she could take to make it feel a lot more intentional with its design and warm and welcoming and all of the things that you would want when you go home.
And how to make it feel pretty and, not just like a banquet hall, like she said, basically. What I will take away from this personally, I don't know about you, Lexi, but I took away that, sorry, I have to drive here. But
we gotta multitask.
What I took away from this is it was a huge room. They built the house, and she wanted to make it feel warm and inviting. And the furniture was good, but sometimes, not very often do I say this, I told her this is probably the hardest one to get right because she has a large home, and so she needs to think of things very big on a big scale.
The scale was a little off because she's used to buying the traditional normal things that you would have if you had like a normal 8-foot home.
8-foot ceiling home.
8-foot ceiling home.
Yeah.
And she needed very large scale. She needed large artwork, large furniture pieces. She needed wider layouts. Like she needed to scoot her furniture back a little bit because it was all kind of put together, which would be normal if you had a smaller space. But because her space was so big that it kind of looked dinky in the room, but we helped her with scale and how to make her house feel more designer and luxurious.
Color palette, too.
Yes, we did help with the color palette and helped her put some accents throughout her home. So we are so excited for that. But we are hosting that workshop, so if you would like a decorating roadmap workshop, which teaches you the exact steps you need to do.
Lexi's going right into it. The whole thing is she really, truly could really benefit from this. We told her that because
I told her that, but I was telling them that too. But yes,
okay.
What I was talking about with her is that this workshop would have helped her, the last lady with our virtual console, because she had the space, but she didn't know how to implement it. And she had what she wanted and what she liked, but she needed the exact steps on how to make it feel intentional and planned and designed correctly.
Yes.
Yes. So if that
for
is
sure.
also you.
And we also talked about drapery.
Yes, we did talk
Big
about drapery.
thing about drapery. Drapery, scale, color palette,
How to
there's
hang
everything. How to hang it.
Yes. Very
Artwork.
important.
We've talked about artwork. So all these things, if this is something, whoa, that was scary. If this is something that you guys need or would like more information about, get in the workshop. $17.
Yeah, we would love to see you in there.